Here's what you should know about the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. In this video, you will learn the benefits of the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion, including the correct application and the do's and don'ts. The CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion is suitable for those that have a normal to dry skin type. It can also be used on both the face and the body. It is fragrance-free, so great for those sensitive skin types or those who are prone to eczema. It is a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, so you don't have to worry about leaving your skin super greasy, and it works well underneath makeup. However, if you do have super dry skin, you want to opt for the CeraVe's moisturizing cream instead, which is a bit heavier. Now, the main ingredients are ceramides, which help strengthen and maintain the skin's natural barrier, alongside hyaluronic acid, and this ingredient attracts hydration to the skin and helps the skin to retain its moisturizer. These essential ingredients not only support the skin's natural barrier, but also hydrate and soothe the skin. So how do you use the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion? So for the face, it can actually be used both morning and evening, but you do want to start your routine with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities from your skin. And then you want to go in and apply your toner or essence, followed by your water-based serums and then your oil-based serums. You'll then finish off with the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion, and if you're using it during the day, you'll apply sunscreen last. For using on your body, you can apply as often as you feel you need. Now, when it comes to the do's and don'ts, we always recommend to carry out a patch test before fully incorporating this moisturizer into your routine. And we don't recommend, if you have very dry skin, to use this product. You may find it's not rich enough, so instead you want to opt for the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream instead. Let us know in the comments down below if you have tried the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion, or do you prefer the moisturizing cream. And if you want to learn more about the CeraVe products, then check out these videos here next.